chrome problem. It only took me one car, got a dome man. Just hit this hoe, her boyfriend put me for a show. I'm rockin' white and gold, they look like I got my tag. Water coming in and out, it never was a drop. For the opposition, he that stripping head. Pay attention, pay attention, pay attention, finna show you how to get it. First we make 100 moving whipping chickens. Then you stayed out, stack your racks, I'll never spin me. 4G panorama, spoon spinning. Extra green up in my pocket, look like spinach. I put gold all in my mouth, I had a dentist. Go put 2 more lines and I'm finished. I said, better late than never, better late than never. Yo, better late than never, better late than never. Better late than never, better late than never. Yo, better late than never, better late than never. Yeah, I caught my blade, bitch, red throat. Shit, pop it out and left her at the lows. They won't get up out my way, I run them over. I don't trust a soul, I don't trust nobody. Threw up by some pills, I don't trust my own body. You would take a shopping, you took her to chrome probably. It only took me one car, got a dome man. Just hit this hoe, her boyfriend put me for a show. I'm rockin' white and gold, they look like I got my tag. Water coming in and out, it never was a drop. For the opposition, he that stripping head out.
about love, about truth.
Realize every moment won't be perfect, but I do enjoy all the mistakes that I made with you. With you, you do. You've got a life. You've got a life. You've got a life. Stay in it. You've got a life. You've got a life. You've got a life. Stay in it.
R8s, I don't like those. I drive the Daytona and I tinted the windows. Can't fuck with nobody, not even my shadow. I got on A hard and she got on stilettos. She my best friend, yeah, we not a couple. She a rock star, she a sex symbol. The way she do that shit, she make it look simple. The way she do that shit, she make it look simple. Baby, tell me what you wanna do. Baby, tell me everybody you screw. Tell me everybody you took to this room. I gotta know who you fucked in this room. I gotta know who you fucked in this room. I gotta know who you fucked in this room. Can't trust no bitch. Can't trust these niggas. In love with my money. In love with my pistol. In love with my beats. I think she my bitch. I know she's her dick. I know she not shit. I been thinking about it. Finna cut up that bitch. She don't cook, she don't clean. But she want roof Chris. I don't need like the hug. I don't need like the kiss. I just pat on her ass and tell her good shit. I just walked in my pay. Paparazzi at the fence. I'm out to pour some red. And Shawty gon' roll us some shit. And Shawty gon' roll us some shit. I'm out to pour some red. And Shawty gon' roll us some shit. Like 10 blunts for me. I told my boy go roll like 10 blunts for me. I'm tryna get high till I can't feel nothing. I'm tryna get high till I can't feel nothing. I can fall out the sky and I still won't feel nothing. I can fall out the sky and I still won't feel nothing. I'm way too high. Whoa, whoa, I'm way too high. Whoa, 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 I'm way too high. Whoa, 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 I'm way too high. Whoa, 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 I'm way too high.
Yo, 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 yo.
What up, nigga?
Ain't nothing, what's the word?
It's cracking, boy.
Same old shit, kid.
Hold on. Alright. This is going to be a bit of a quick stream, because I haven't streamed in like a week. I'm kind of busy. University started. I've got lots of shit to do. So we're just going to come in here for news. Let me delete trades taken. Jeez. I don't know how to stream anymore. Alright. So if you keep up with the Instagram, you'll see my trades. I've said this before. Let's get the webcam on. Yes, sir. What's up, boys? Alright, so we have news in 5 minutes. It's PPI. We have a forecast, so it's we don't really have much of a forecast to go off with. We've been around 0.2% every single time, so I can't... when was the last PCE? July 26th? August 30th. So what happened on August 30th? Let's see. The daily chart. Alright. So let's go back to August 30th. So this was your candle here. Hold on. Yeah, so I won't be what you call it. Okay, so August 30th. This is the start, so you probably had PCE at around 1 o'clock, so it's very bearish last news. So come back to here. So we're in a range, right? I've already marked up my levels. So this is a very rush trade. I'm doing quite a lot today, so I'm just gonna come in and out for PPI. Okay, so I'll be able to just like a quick update. I'll be able to stream in about 5 days more often because I'll have this room to myself. So it's gonna be kind of hard. There'll be times today where I probably won't have my webcam on or be able to speak as frequently. But let's just work with what we have. So. Okay, so we're at a range. We've got break-even buys was tapped, so this bottom wick. I'm kind of bearish again on this idea, because just looking at this candle, we're leaving a big wick. So if we close in 3 minutes like this, what's the chances that we maybe have initial drive up then flip? I don't really know. I've got this buy stop set up. Let me just have this in case. I don't think it's gonna be that volatile, but it is the last event for the day, so let's grab this. So we have a buy stop. So that's a buy stop at 2680.17. Okay, it's based off of this idea if it ever taps. But we're not in that range. So we're forming a little bit of a support here. It's an understanding. Let me just take this down a bit. We also have a resistance here. Hold on. Alright. Break-even sells, break-even buys. So we're stuck in this range. We need to see a breakout of some sort. There's no breakouts here. There's too much noise. I don't really have breakouts below either. Not really. Nothing that's worth taking. Again, too much noise. So we just need to wait and see what price action gives us. Post news. So we got news in 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Should I switch my view maybe? You can see this better. Yeah, so 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Let's see. And then we've got UOM sentiment. So I might leave the stream on until about 3, but I don't know if I'll be active. So you guys can see if there's any trades placed or whatever else there is. Okay, so no real sentiment for news. Could go either way. There's no breakouts for me. No breakouts worth taking. Because it is, we're just playing, like, this is the 30-minute chart, right? So this range, I mean, how big is this range? This range is 80 pips, so it's actually quite big. But when it leaves this way, it's pretty crazy. Usually with news, when it comes up like that, it's usually, after it prints, it goes down the opposite direction. Because then we can look into it into a more deeper level of, okay, it's grabbing orders to grab liquidity to drive down very quick. Don't know. Who knows, bro? Who actually knows? We also could be mimicking. Let's move to the left. Maybe these wicks that rejected these areas. Could we be doing the same here? To then just come down and fill. Like this. Don't know. Does make sense making lower highs as well, just from looking at very binary basic structure. Okay, so news in 20 seconds here. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. Is there a break-even buys in this? Probably. Not really. No wick came. I guess here would be your break-even buys. If I think I'm more bearish, but let's see. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Okay, so we're flipped bearish. I mean bullish. So we're bearish. I mean bullish. Always see the wrong one. Okay. So if you break this wick high, there's probably a little bit of room to come up to here, which is what's happening. It's not a breakout opportunity I would take though. There's no breakouts here. I mean, you could. There's too many levels. There's no breakouts. Bottom wick to fill the range, of course, could happen as well. How do numbers come out? They're still pending. Okay, so we got bad. Okay, that's interesting. We got bad numbers for PPI. So we're bullish on gold. That makes sense. This is just an orange folder. This will have some volume, but it should have a lot more volume. My right click not working. So you can see the resistance I'm working off from. You got these wicks, these wicks, these wicks. So it should be a nice rejection. Could probably move this a little bit lower, to be honest. Here. Because if I just look at it, I mean, you've got resistance here as well. I guess that's why I was basing it off of, but this is a nicer area.
Feeling like an airplane in the sky, but then they say I'm crazy. They got me thinking I ain't human, like I came in from above. Feeling like a bird sitting high. I'll be that man on the moon. I'm that man on the moon, and I'ma do what I do. So do you, hey. I'll be posted with my blood and a broom. I'm that man on the moon. I'm up on the moon. It's like I would play all my stuff for everybody, you know, and all my people.
Okay, so not much happened here. Alright guys, this was a very, very short stream. What I will do is I'm gonna leave it running, and then you will see any live positions or updates on the stream. I won't be as active, but I will come in and chime in a few times. So I've got to go. I'll just keep this running for now, and then if I get into trades or anything, you'll see. I will end the stream definitely by 4 PM because that's the end of my trading session. I don't trade Asian. There's no Asian on Fridays, so I can't trade Asian on Friday. And follow the Instagram to keep updated with any trades that I do take. This the trade record is also a stream trade record. We're currently, I don't even know how much we're up actually on the journal. I think we took a loss. Yeah, we took a loss yesterday. We were on a pretty good streak. These two losses was the same trade idea. But we were on stream in a crazy streak. It's like 11 or some shit. What's that? I don't know. Anyway, okay, so we're breaking the highs here. Breaking the range highs, right? Hold on. Interesting. Alright guys, I'll be back. Stay tuned, I'll be in the chat as well, so make sure you keep your eyes peeled. Alright? Anyway, brothers. All right. So what are we thinking about the price action right now? So news was very bullish. We broke, what I can see from this is that we broke these highs in the resistance level. But was it enough to drive up, considering you have this wick? I'm not too sure. This wick could also be a break-even buy. You left a big fat wick, so we could fill. That's very possible. Or you could just close back, reverse, and then drive down. Break-even sells in this case is here. So if the 5... So you could have entered this trade, but I don't know if it tapped it first. That's the only issue. It looks like price wants to come down though. For all I know, price could fill the wick, come up here, break the highs, and then we push towards all-time highs again. Right, that's possible, and when that happens, it will be on the daily flip. So you can see we created a bottom wick in this area. So it just has the wick fill, and then your all-time highs yet again. Will it hit it today? I don't know. Probably next week. Probably next week. I mean, this is the range that you're in, right? So you broke out, you came back in the range, you broke out again. So then you started establishing a range here. We're at the bottom of that range to drive up. Simple as that. It does look like it wants to be bearish, but I think we are going to be bullish. Long term. I say long term. Long term in day trading sense. Like long term in the next week. Woo! Right, we have news in 40 minutes. So I'll be in and out until then. Seeing get some new opportunities. We already caught, if I show you the Instagram, we already caught, let's see, we caught this trade today. So this was in London. Well, we took it on Asian and then closed in London, I believe. Simple range play. Sorry guys, I'm a bit sick. Yeah, so simple range play. You came down, you had your top wick, this is my entry, you can see my entry here. We had price retrace, but it was probably from your top wick. I wasn't actually awake at this point. So it's just hard stop loss, hard take profit. Alright guys, I'll be back for news, but I'm gonna go away again and do some work. I'll be in and out, but I'm just here to let you know that I'm here, okay? So if you see changes on the screen, I am still here. Check the Instagram for when I'm not streaming. If you want to see any trades or whatever I get up to, you can see my P&L. I upload my Instagram for me, so I'm not doing it to showcase to anyone else other than to hold myself accountable through journaling. So that's what my Instagram is. It's a personal journal that I just like to have, okay? Seeing we dropped 5% of the videos dropped frames. That's not good. Alright, so could this be the wick fill? This is another resistance. This is also another resistance. So if you break, which we did actually break the highs, right? We broke this high. That's probably higher. We broke this high, so you should actually be able to take the trade up to this minimum point. That's the idea. You'd have risk management on the basis that it taps down here, okay? So you'd probably be out that breakout trade, but that would have been the breakout. So now you're looking at a breakout here, okay? So this is the next ideal move upwards. Is it? Hold on. Okay, control. That's the next move upwards, okay? So if price breaks this, then you're gonna drive to a minimum point, which I'm gonna mark up as this area. Break even buys. So this is gonna be your break even buys, and you need to take the trade all the way up. You have another position here. This could be a nice trade. That's that's kind of the breakouts I'll be looking at. Because above that is clean traffic. Likewise, you could see the break of this low here could be for sales. Actually, you know what, chat? You know what I'm gonna do here? 266.295. Let me see. Get to 30 maybe. Okay, chat, got it on sells here. Based off the breakout of this low. So we got it on sells. Basically, okay, so this was a minor zone. There's loads of rejections here. So on a smaller time frame, this is more of a support level. So we're basically getting in sells to take the trade down to this minimum point here. Okay, that's the trade idea. I'm just gonna have a take profit and a stop loss. So we're looking at 32 pips. 2663 point, let's make it 100. I can't even see it. Alright. So, this is the trade we just got in on. So, it's the breakout of the support lows to drive down. It's happened every single time. Stop loss will be probably the breakout of this wick. Okay, so we're going to have a kind of a tight stop loss here, considering my strategy. So, that's at 2674.400. 2674.400 is our stop loss level. And there's no risk management. I don't think so. Risk management maybe on, let's see. Risk management if it taps this resistance, okay? Allocation for this area as well. Alright, that's the trade. So we got in on sells. So let's see. Gold sells. And that is the trade. How many pips? 33? Yeah. Alright, that's the trade we got in. This could be a one and done kind of thing. There's no risk management in terms of breaking and sells. This is just a straight drive. Small trade. I like these small trades. The pip amounts aren't too bad. We're risking 80 pips to make 32. Standard. Standard practice. Oh. Sorry guys, I'm very, very ill, so I'm trying not to like cough and stuff. So if you don't understand the idea, we had a support, okay, so let me just get the drawing tool, it's easier. So we have wick, 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 okay. Now locally, hasn't really been treating it like a support, but this was an area to risk manage, so it was still kind of valid. So this is also a valid entry, right? But let's look at these wicks. Our low here, okay, this wick doesn't count because it just drove straight down, you can see here. But we had lows here, so every time you broke this low, like in this candle, you drove straight down, okay? And it's the same with all the other times, okay? So you broke, well, this is the first one, but you still came straight down. So the idea is still there and it's still valid. You came down to this level before rejecting up every time. Same here, right? Same with this big candle here, this big wick, same thing. So that's the idea. We will risk manage if we get a top wick in this area, and then be mindful of this area, but probably no risk management, okay? This will just be, because it's too close to stop loss, there's no point adding more positions at that point. Just acknowledging this is a top wick area to drive down. But it should just be a clean range to drive down. I mean, we have a wick fill here. So we should just be able to drive down, in my opinion. But no risk management. Like, look, if you just look, it's all clean range, so clean range. All right. I want to be in and out of this before news, because this is the last news event of the day, and regardless of orange or yellow folders or whatever, there's still a lot of volume for the predicted folder, or for the folder that it was given, just because it's the last news for the day. Also, it's London close around 3 o'clock, so... Okay, so we're breaking back into this range. This is interesting. We could be pushing up because we broke the highs, or the wick fill. That's kind of not what I wanted to see. If we could flip here, it could be kind of nice. I'm just going off of these local rejections now. I don't think this is enough for price to drive up, but it could. Okay, this is where it gets interesting. What I'm gonna do here, chat, I'm gonna have a sell limit at 2670.46. Okay, because if it taps here and drives down, that's good for risk managing. All right. Looks like we're about to get tapped in. Nice. Okay, so we got tapped in on risk managing. So we're gonna have our take profit. It doesn't really matter where our take profit is, but we'll come out probably at break even here. I'm gonna set. Oh shit! I'm gonna set my take profit level to around this level. So 2667.8. Okay. So that's my take profit level. Same with this, 267.8 is here, I believe. And then this will have the same stop loss. That's the idea. So we're going to come out plus 25 pips and negative like 15 or 14. That's the idea here. Plus 27 minus 15. Alright, so this is what the trade looks like. So we're risk managed. Okay. And that is the trade. That is the trade complete, guys. There you go. So we just got out. So we got gold sells for breakouts. Didn't pan out. Broke back to our range 2. Without a bottom wick, it came all the way up. Perfect scenario. We just entered on the sells again. And came out at a total of... How many pips was that? Minus 13 plus 29 or some shit. 28. So, 16 pips, guys. Let's check my phone actually, one sec. So minus 14 plus 27. So we came out in 13 pips. Actually, that's pretty good. Alright, so 13 pips was our total. So we got risk manage of above. So this was actually a loss, but I guess the idea is the same. So I'll just write risk managed actually, because I don't want to ruin my win-loss ratio. But I guess it is, like, it's not like the idea was not a loss, right? So I'll just do gold sells. I'll do 13 pips, calculates everything together, and that was risk managed. Okay, so that's the idea. Nice, W trade. So let's do that shit. Plus 13 pips. That brings us to 8 wins. Oh my god, that's perfect, bro. Where was I? Yes. 7 is 290. And that is amazing. Our live win streak is now 8 in a row on stream. W trade, people. W trade. The breakouts could pan out, but I'm not interested because we broke back in the range. So we exited based off this minor level of support. Why is it minor support? Kind of used this bottom wick. I used a few of these rejections to come back up. It was just playing it super safe. I mean, I knew it was probably gonna come down to here, but it doesn't matter, bro. Coming out at like, doesn't matter. Usually when you risk manage, you want to be out at break even. Just close whenever you're in at 0 or whatever, profits, slight loss, who cares. Alright, so that is the trade. What I'm gonna do, I need to delete all this so I can convey the idea a little bit better. Let me screenshot this quickly for the Instagram. So this will be on the Instagram. This is what I usually do every single time I have a trade, win or loss. So I'll just screenshot that, bring it up to here. Save desktop, and I'll write gold sales risk manage plus 13. Okay, and then after stream I'll write that up. Alright. Still a chance it could, that the initial idea could flip and then drive down 100%. There's still that chance, but I'm no longer interested in the idea anymore. Because now what's happened is this has now become a risk management area. So if you were taking the breakouts, now this you have to adapt, right? So this now has to become a risk management area for sales. This level right here. Alright. So at that point, if you're gonna secure half, that's 10, that's what, 11 pips? So you're securing 5 pips. Chances are it flips again. Not really worth. Perfect example of a top wick to drive down. Because you flips, chances are you are gonna fill this idea, but it doesn't. Like, it's not. I can't read it anymore. Like, if it flips back up. The only way you can get the sales down now, is to put this here and re-enter here for 17 pips. But then now you're looking at messing around with this wick. Like, the idea is kind of, it's not the same. Alright, let's hang around 50 minutes for news, and then I'm gonna call it a day. Okay. One sec. Alright, so it's filling the idea. Sorry, squeaky chair, bro. So it's filling the idea to come down. This is exactly what the initial breakout sales was. So the trade's probably likely to come up, but it's also likely to just flip. So it's kind of risky. There's no real story. There's no structure past this point. As soon as it flipped like this, I just took the sells down, risk managed, and that was the trade. But yeah, if anyone took this idea or you see anyone with the same idea, then sure. Valid idea. Yo, I also ordered a new webcam for the streams. I don't know if it's good. It's still a webcam, so probably not. It's not gonna be like camera quality level. But I'm pretty sure this webcam is like 720p. And it's also like kind of fucked, bro. I think I dropped it and the image is tilted a bit, so it's kind of hard. So I'm gonna try to get a new one with better color grading and stuff. I'm not promising anything, but I just bought one off eBay, so let's see. We'll see if it's any better, bro. Bro, it's fucking cold as shit in this room. Holy fuck, bro. We had no summer in the UK. Cold as shit, I'm ill. Like, I'm pretty sure I gave myself the illness. Like, I was, had my bedroom fan on while I was sleeping. I don't know why I did that shit. Literally gave myself the cold, bro. Alright, so we broke into this range. Topic to drive down is very likely. But because we formed that break-even cells, it's invalid. So, like, this area. Alright, literally just patiently waiting on news. The actual greater than forecast is good for USD, so we're expecting greater, so we're expecting good news for USD, which is bad news for gold. So with this news, we're expecting gold sells. Let's see. University of Michigan, bro. Hilarious. See what I mean? So the people that FOMO'd into the breakout sells, the original idea off of this, like, look at the struggle that's happening right now. We've had almost an hour of price action that hasn't fulfilled what we wanted. 30 minutes, bro. This is 30 minutes of price action that hasn't filled the sells. Now, I'm not saying it will or will not, but if there's no clear story, then there's no point, bro. There's 0 point. Alright, 3 minutes till news, and then probably gonna call it a day. I don't really want to be looking for trades. When it hits 4 o'clock, I usually just end it. That's kind of the end of like my New York session, because after that it just ranges. I mean, yeah, you get a few big moves, but they won't make sense, and then they always typically come back to the entry point, unless it's showing high volume, and if there is no high volume, then it just comes back to entry point. Then you're holding past 10 o'clock because the trade idea is still valid, and then you have swap fees, and it's just like, fuck that shit, bro. I'm literally just trying to be here, get a quick trade, and then leave. Especially today, I'm super busy. So I came on for a bit of fun, bro. I'm being honest. Okay, so we're making this top wick at an okay, it's actually an okay resistance level. I just don't know if it's, I mean, it probably is valid. I don't think you could take the break-even sells off of that position, but every time you've made the top wick here, you have drove down, like every time. I'm gonna wait for news though. We don't want to enter. I don't want to enter and then just like price just drives and fills the wick. But I am bearish on this idea for sure. But it's like exactly like what happened here, right? Like there's no bottom wick, came to the top wick, you didn't really drive down. Unless maybe in the 5 there is some sort of Yeah, I guess you could. I don't know. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do here, chat? I know we have a minute till news. I'm gonna get in on sells. Yeah. Okay, so I got in on sells. Okay, so we're in on sells again, and the reason for this is that I know this could have been a valid break-even sells, but I don't think so. So it's kind of a short trade here. We're looking for. This is the idea. So 2663.0 .100, I think. Let me see. 2663.100 is the idea. Okay, so news just came out, popped up, top wick, should be able to flip, no bottom wick. So this is the idea. Alright. There's actually some volume here, which is interesting, but we should be able to just flip and drive. That's kind of the idea. I'm kind of looking at the wrong time frame here. I'm looking at the 30 on. Okay, so yeah. So we're in this trade. Exact same premise as the breakouts, except we just got higher entry. Range play set up to take the trade down for the bottom wick. And once the flip happens, you break these lows, you should just be able to drive, secure that full take profit, and call it a day. Really is as simple as that. Okay, we're getting close. As soon as it taps, I'll just close full. Super close. I'm watching it on my trading view, guys. So what's happening? The pullbacks you're seeing here is because a lot of buyers have closed positions. So I mean, sellers have closed positions, so that's why buyers have some momentum. But some of the people that are holding are still holding. Just one more push. One more push. I think it wants to flip, but it hasn't grabbed orders yet. So we have to be patient. Because it got so close, I'm going to put stop loss to break even. Okay. So we're completely risk free on this trade. And there it is. Close full. W trade, guys. W trade for the news. That is the trade. We are done. Same idea as the breakouts. That's how it's done. That is how it is done. Good way to end the week for sure. Good fucking way. So that was, how much was that? That was secured about 38 pips. It's not bad. Yeah, like 30 pips or some shit. Check my phone. Yeah, 38 pips. Nice. Update it on stream first. So gold sells plus 38. Nice. That's 9 wins in a row on stream. Nice. I think that's the day, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I do think that's the day. Perfect read as well. So we're getting rejection off of this support level. No breakouts on this. There's just too many levels. Based off of these wicks here as well. If you were to break out, this would be your support, but because you have this rejection, you probably came up, risk managed to come down. It's not. It's nothing. But that's where patience gets you guys. So if you're in the breakout position and it made sense to not exit based off the range 2 on the first trade, fair enough, you made your money. But this is literally the showcase of perfect trading practice. Understanding the cycle you're in, understanding the range you're in, understanding what play that must occur, understanding how to risk manage. Risk manage isn't about making money or coming out break even. Risk managing is about it's about price action. It's about holding your trade idea to its full accountability and coming out the trade when you need to come out a trade. And you know deep down, okay, if you have to come out a trade minus 20 in profit or minus 20 pips in a loss, I should say, then you need to do that, right? There's no point in holding it out and hoping that you're going to come out at break even to save pips. It's just not how it works. But that was amazing. That was a bit of an impulse entry from me, but I just knew that with news and volume, this single candle, which caused the move to go up, wasn't enough. I just knew it just wasn't enough. And that comes from time on the markets, discretion, nuance, and just general overall experience. The hours you put in the markets, you just understand things, okay? So although that wasn't playbook, textbook stuff, and this is kind of a minor zone, to be honest, it just wasn't enough for me to not take the trade. Okay. I believe it's this one, right? Drove down first, then flipped, yeah. There was no reset either, it was just top wick and just drove. Pretty nice read, actually. But if you don't have that experience, then you're gonna miss that trade, right? And it's fine. Being break even is a win. If you cannot make place any trades that day, you won. Why? Because you didn't lose. Okay? If you didn't lose money or pips, look at it in pips. If you didn't lose any pips in that trading day, you won. If you made pips, you won, and if you lost pips, you lost. But being break even is a win, and look at it that way every single time. Be comfortable with not trading. That's how you become a profitable trader, is to not trade. As stupid as that sounds. Yeah, but an amazing week overall. Let me just check. Yeah, so we had some good trades. I'm gonna head off. I will keep updated with my Twitter, keep updated with my Instagram. All the links in the description. My course will be coming soon. I'm not. If I'm being honest, it's not like I'm selling a course to make money here. I've actually started making this course. I want to log this down in my little history journal, my own little YouTube channel. I've made this course to teach people who are close to me how I trade. Everything in it is very cutting edge, bro. There's no fluff, okay? It's just everything that you need to know from the basics. Everything that I went through, everything I learned, all the little quips and comms that took me to profitability is in this course, right? It's a Discord course. It's text only. And the reason for that is that when people follow video courses, there's a lot of wasted time. There's a lot of pauses. I don't like you can't go at your own pace. You have to go at the pace of the video makers. So for me, a course that's text based, you can go at your own pace. You can save the area of content that you were reading. You go at your own pace. The course will come out soon. I'm currently working on a website and the course structure itself. But I'll be working on that, balancing my university stuff. It's my last year, not my last year, my second last year, but this year it counts, okay? I'm in my 4th year, so I'm balancing a lot of my engineering stuff based off of that. So there's a lot of work. I'm gonna take some time today to do more coursework stuff in terms of the trading, but those links will be fulfilled. I have things and systems in place, so it's just a matter of publishing, being comfortable with what I've made, and sharing what I went through, and pretty much a step-by-step guide taking, you know, if you guys are interested, if you see this part of the video, taking the path to becoming a profitable Forex trader, right? If this is what you actually want to do. I would never tell someone to buy a course if and you know truly in your heart if you want to be a Forex trader, because this isn't for everyone. Some people you just can't become one, right? People have addictive personalities, people aren't good with patience, people don't understand things, like, and they choose not to understand. There's a lot of ignorance. Everyone can do it, but it's not for everyone, and that's trading. Sorry guys, I'm very, very sick. But yeah, so that's coming soon. When that comes, all my links in the description will be there. I have a free journal, which I use on stream. Super simple. I don't like overcomplicating journals. I mean, yes, I could add a few more things, like whatever. It's for your own interpretation. You can write notes on it. It's made on Excel, so you can literally just do what you want, okay? There's a share file in the description. You can use that. Community Discord set up. My course Discord will be out soon with the website. Sorry, I'm really sick. I'm trying not to release too much right now because I want everything to be in conjunction with each other. But yeah, that's everything. I'm gonna head off here. I'll play some music, a little outro segment. This was a very quick stream. I wasn't here for like an hour or something, but we've been streaming for 2 hours. I guess that's not too bad. But I've got some shit to do today, so stay updated with the Instagram. Link is in the description. All my socials are in the description. Any trades I get into, you will see on my Instagram. It's not live updates, just because I don't have time, but I'll just post the outcome of any trades that I get into. Again, my Instagram is not a showcase to get attention, to garner viewers. It's my own personal portfolio. I just like to look back on it. It's just a nice practice to hold yourself accountable. Same with streaming. So after that little drop of wisdom, people, I'm off. I'm literally talking to no one, but fuck it. Have a good rest of your week. Enjoy your week. Don't overtrade. Stay out the markets past 4 p.m. because I'm telling you, it's not worth it on a Friday. Especially after news came out. That's the last news event. There's no volume. So if you are going to trade, please be cautious. Make sure you wear protection. Make sure you have stop loss and a take profit if you are in a trade. And I am out of here, boys. Alright? Catch you in a bit. Peace.
I'm off all day adventure.
We're good. This is dedicated to all the kids like me. Wherever you are, here, now, we're good.
Birds sing flying around. You never see them too long on the ground. You wanna be one of them. Yeah, you wanna be one of them. Yeah, you might hit a Don't get me back to good bullshit. I'm in a high fidelity first class traveling section. I think I need a lift jet.
certainly was in the right.
Yes, definitely. I guess he was cruising for bruising.
I don't know, I was really drunk at the time. Just tell you.
Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Some of them want to use you.
live it with nobody's help tips, man. I'm just walking without being led. See, the world is so crazy and filled with such risk, man. I just know I gotta dodge them. The beginning is always followed by an end. In the in-between time, I'm not running or riding. See, things do come around and make sense eventually. Things do come around, but some things trouble me. The people I've met and the places I've been are all will make me the man I so proudly am. But I wanna know one thing: when did I become a ghost? I'm most confused about the world I live in. The thing that I'm lonely where I probably am. One thing that still gets me: I become a ghost. Hey, na 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 na, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah, whoa, whoa, whoa. Yo, tried to fight it, but soon that gave in. Down the road with no lights on, can't describe it. You don't move like them. You become their worst nightmare. You remember the things that your parents had said. Rather find out the hard way. You should tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. I keep with my stroll, I'm not running or riding. See, things do come around, make sense eventually. Some things still trouble me. The people I met and the places I've been are all will make me the man I so proudly am. But I wanna know one thing: when did I become a ghost? I'm mostly confused about the world I live in. The thing that I'm lonely where I probably am. One thing that still gets me: when did I become a ghost? Yeah.
Understand that, I really understand that. They don't understand. I hope they understand that, I really understand that. They don't understand. I really understand that I really think I hope they understand that, I really understand that. They don't understand. Whoa. Listen to me.
moment. Now, us.
When I grinded for my shit in the coldest weathers. Rain gone but the rollie wetter. Yeah, you got a whip but I'm rolling better. Roll with no sauce and flavors. Or maybe Maddie in the ride. No bait link up, so she tryna link up till I catch me outside. Yeah, you never blame us when we've been about for ages. Now we young, rich and famous. Niggas wanna shame us and break us. How could they break us when we've been about for ages? Now we young, rich and famous. Niggas wanna shame us and break us. How could they?
Ain't nothing new, yo, I've been on my block. I still can't believe what I did in my pot. 20 racks, what I did on my watch. And before it was bricks, yo, we did it with rocks. I'm young and I'm living, I'm young and I'm whipping. A lot of guys rap about nothing, they're living. Just drop 3 bills to my youngin' in prison. Cause daddy don't care and mommy still sniffing. Still I'm waving with notes. And lately they say I'm the face of the road. Just bought me a Cuban and laced it with stones. If I feel like you're hating, I'm making it known. Bro, I told you before, I'm just chasing the dough. And we got different mums, but that's basically, bro, I'm just chasing the dough.
You can never blame us when we've been about for ages. Now we young, rich and famous. Niggas wanna shame us and break us. How could they break us when we've been about for ages? Now we young, rich and famous. Niggas wanna shame us and break us. How could they? Man, my bitches be badder than ever. I swear, man, I swear that the baddest for me. So dripping all over my teeth. Stepping in lubes, I leave blood on the streets.
Man, I'm stepping in loose, we leave blood in the street. My youngins do too when they're clutching the heat. These innocent girls, they be loving the G. Ain't making spares when I'm cutting the key.
Cutting it down just to feed my family. If they try battle me, then bro will roll round, that's a tragedy.
Man, this shit can get tragic, I whip it with magic. T-shirts from Fendi, I'm into the fabric. She's into my pattern, I'm into the fashion. Liking my chain cause I did it in Hatton.
Never blame us, what we've been about for ages. Now we young, rich and famous. Niggas wanna shame us and break us. How could they break us when we've been about for ages? Now we young, rich and famous. Niggas wanna shame us and break us. How could
And I swear I slept rough in the coldest weathers, and we didn't get no help from the older brothers. I just bought my mum a whole load of extras, cause every time I went to jail she wrote me letters. Then man let Giuseppe get straight to the head. You don't have to act rich bro, get straight to your bed. You're rapping about cars that you blatantly rent. Just whip 36, pushed it straight into Zeds. Yo notes, man they could never hate us. I'm in the booth with bro and a hella flavors. My new Cuban link came with a hella haters that weren't part of the deal, let me check the papers. And yeah, you got a whip, but I'm rolling better. You say you're shutting bricks, but I know you never. Ask around, I'll drop it to the older brothers. And your mum's just getting shut up if you owe me cheddar.
They can never blame us, what we've been about for ages. Now we young, rich and famous. Niggas wanna shame us and break us. How could they break us when we've been about for ages? Now we young, rich and famous. Niggas wanna shame us and